Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the color of the last page in Microsoft Publisher. So get let's started. At first open your Publisher document. This video I will show remove the color of last page in Publisher. Now select from last page. Now you're going to the page design menu option, then click. Now click from background option. Now you show the new interface. Now we select from no background. That it's. Now you can see. Then you show the remove color of the page in last page in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.